Hey beauties, and welcome to my fall 2021 nighttime cleaning routine video. As we're getting into this video, I do have a little good news and bad news. You might be able to hear the bad news in my voice. I did wake up sick, and Kennedy was a little sick yesterday, so I think that she shared her bug. So flu and cold Clean With Me video coming soon. So I'm really sorry that my voice isn't at 100% for this video, but I hope it's not too distracting. But the good news is I partnered with my friend Whitney, so we're bringing you double the cleaning motivation today, and I'm gonna let her introduce herself right now.
Hey guys, my name is Whitney. I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two, a 4-year-old and a 1.5-year-old. I make cleaning, organizing, and decorating style videos with also sharing some of my motherhood journey in there as well. I hope you're able to make it over to my channel after you're done watching Bella's video. I would love to have you. Bye!
I will have Whitney's video linked below, so right after you're done here, make sure you head over to her channel and let her know I sent you. As you can see, I cleared off the plates from dinner and now I'm wiping down the kitchen table, and I'm gonna put back my cute little mummy thing. It's actually a candy holder, but I did get it after my Halloween clean and decorate, so that's new. You guys haven't seen that before. And I'm gonna move on to washing down my pan that I used. It is an always pan. I absolutely love it, and if you're on the fence about it, because I know a lot of people have been kind of promoting it on their channel, definitely get one, but only if you're in the market for a new one. Don't go out and buy one if you're not. The only thing that I don't absolutely love is the fact that I can't put it in the dishwasher. I have to hand wash it, but to me that's worth it. If you're joining us for the first time from Whitney's channel, first of all, welcome. We are so happy to have you here. My name is Bella, and I am a first-time mom of a little 14-month-old girl who is the light of my life. Her name is Kennedy Jade, and my number one passion is everything motherhood, and I hope that you will join us on this journey. I feel like it's been a little while since I've done a cleaning video, and I think it's because of all the decorating that needs to happen this time of year, but I want to for sure focus on making more cleaning videos because they're some of my favorite videos to make, and they're so relaxing to me watching it back. And also, as I'm recording this voiceover, I can totally hear just how icky my voice sounds, and that is exactly how I feel. I don't feel good at all. And poor Kennedy, I always feel so bad when she's sick because I think it's a mommy thing where we don't like our babies to feel sick. The poor little baby has a runny nose, and she was sneezing and coughing, and I've never seen her drip so much like a faucet. The poor thing, I just feel so bad. So mommies out there, let me know if you have any natural remedies you like when your baby's sick. Just let me know. We've been doing Tylenol and stuff, but I just feel like I want to do a little bit extra just because I feel so bad. And now I'm loading up the dishwasher, and my OGs will tell you that I absolutely love it. We didn't have a dishwasher in our old house. Well, we had one, but it wasn't working. So in this place we have an amazing one that I absolutely love. And now I'm hand drying my always pan, and if you're wondering, the color I got is spice. And usually by the end of the night, I still have some bottles that I have to wash, so I'm getting caught up on those now. It wasn't too bad on this particular night. Sometimes it's a lot worse. Sometimes that entire area will be filled with bottles, but bottle feeding moms, you totally know the struggle. Kennedy does drink more water now, but she still drinks it out of a bottle. But we are trying to transition to more of like a sippy cup type thing. Let me know if you have any tips from going from bottle to sippy cup. And now I'm about to clean the Tylenol syringe, and I don't know how to do this properly. I just fill it up with water a bunch of times and then push it out. I don't know, let me know in the comments, is that good enough? I don't know, but here's my favorite part, cleaning the sink, and I decided to hold the camera this time because I wanted that up close view. It's so satisfying. I'm just gonna let the music play and we're gonna clean the sink. The last thing I usually do in the kitchen is just wipe everything down, and I like to use the seasonal scents. So right now I am on a Mrs. Meyer's kick and I am using the smell Acorn and I love it. I used to use the apple scent, which was amazing too. You can't go wrong with either one of those, but I am loving the Acorn scent. So let's just wipe down the kitchen counters together.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
And the last thing I'm gonna do is pick up our family room so it's clean for the morning. Thank you so much to everybody who stuck around to the end of this video. It's so appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it and also leave me a comment. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on all of your notifications because we have so much fun stuff coming up on this channel. And most importantly, remember that you are amazing and loved. Bye, beauties.
Until winter comes, until winter comes.